This is so impressive. In 3 days, one of my students has just secured a $2,000 gig. So on Monday, just 4 days ago, I launched a cohort where I'm licensing out and teaching people how to deliver my AI workshop material. So I normally charge between $1,000 and $4,000 per hour to go and deliver this material. And what I've started to do is I'm licensing the material out to people so they can start to deliver it in their country. This is Joshua, who within 3 days of getting the materials was up giving this workshop to local businesses. So this was a free workshop for 45 minutes to a bunch of mortgage brokers in his area. At the end, he was asked, okay, how much for a 2-hour session? And he said $1,000 per hour, so $2,000. And apparently they didn't even blink. They're just like, yep, sounds good. And they offered to introduce him to a bunch more real estate and mortgage brokers in the area. So in just 3 days, he secured $2,000. And based on the word of mouth and the other connections that he's just made, it's probably going to be a lot more. So yeah, I just want to say well done to Joshua again. Just amazing. Just taking action and getting the results so quickly is just mega impressive, man. Good job.